Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the Gilden 3-Foot Callus Remover Kit. The Gilden 3-Foot Callus Remover Kit is a complete solution for at-home foot care, designed to leave your feet soft, smooth and healthy. The kit includes a natural terracotta foot scrubber and a powerful 40% urea cream. The scrubber gently exfoliates dead skin and calluses, making your feet feel refreshed, while the concentrated urea cream penetrates deeply to hydrate and repair dry, cracked heels. Enriched with organic aloe vera and shea butter, the cream provides intense moisture and nourishment for even the roughness area. The terracotta scrubber is handmade, durable and eco-friendly, free from microplastic and built to last 4 years. Its natural texture makes it effective yet gentle, transforming a simple foot care routine into a soothing, spa-like experience. The cream is highly concentrated, so a small amount goes a long way, giving long-lasting hydration with regular use. Gilden 3 has been trusted for over 30 years for its premium ingredients and effective food health productions. Customer reviews on Amazon are overwhelmingly positive. Users report significant improvements in dry patches, calluses, and rough skin with consistent use. Many note that it worked well even for very tough or cracked areas, and that combination of scrubber and cream gives noticeably smoother, softer feet. Some reviewers highlight how gentle the kit is for sensitive skin while still being strong enough to treat severe dryness. People also love that the kit feels like a professional foot spa at home, saving time and money compared to salon treatments. Overall, the Gilden 3-Foot Callus Remover Kit offers an effective and luxurious foot care experience at home. Its combination of gentle exfoliation and deep hydration, making it ideal for anyone struggling with dry, rough, or calloused feet. Durable, eco-friendly, and easy to use, it's a complete foot care solution that leaves your feet feeling rejuvenated, soft, and healthy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.